where an arrest was made tonight, and we have new developments. Gabby?
John, 8 inmate escapees in custody and 2 to go. I'm here at Louisiana State Police Headquarters in Baton Rouge, where police say they're speaking with Lenton Van Buren Jr. upstairs, and we're waiting for them to escort him to this police unit right here, the Dodge Challenger. Again, Baton Rouge police captured Van Buren this evening on a bench at a shopping center parking lot where he sat in front of a sneaker store. Police tell us that Van Buren was in that shopping center off of Airline Highway near Interstate 12 in Baton Rouge. He was previously tracked to addresses in both Mississippi and New Orleans East, and court records detail that at least 5 alleged accomplices helped him and are now in custody. And state police just announced the latest arrest in connection with Van Buren. His sister, 28-year-old Lenika Van Buren, booked for being an accessory after the fact. 18-year-old Patricia Van Buren and 27-year-old Tyshania Randolph are also accused of helping Van Buren evade law enforcement by bringing him to a home in Mississippi. 2 others, Lenton Van Buren Sr. and Angel McKee, were also arrested in connection with aiding and abetting Van Buren. Police say they housed him in the aftermath of the escape before he traveled to Mississippi. Right here you can see that he's being brought out.
Now, Gabby, he's gone through a booking process. He'll eventually wind up, we assume, in state custody or and then possibly at Angola, or what are you hearing?
Yes, so what we're hearing is that he will be brought to East Baton Rouge Parish Jail to be booked as a fugitive before he's transferred to a state facility. The individuals prior to him have been booked at Angola. We don't know exactly where he's going just yet, but we are hearing that first he will be booked into the East Baton Rouge Parish Jail as a fugitive.
And Gabby, can you give us a little bit more information about where police found Van Buren? Just give our viewers a little bit of an update on that, paint the picture there.
Yeah, of course. So we see, of course, they're leaving now en route to that jail. But before that, they found Van Buren on a bench outside of a sneaker store at a shopping center off of Airline Highway near Interstate 12 in Baton Rouge. That is where they went up to Van Buren, approached him. This came from an anonymous tip, and eventually took him into custody. So this was a tip that led them to the shopping center in Baton Rouge, and he was brought there. And again, we see him leaving here now, shaking his head. Not sure there's anything being said in the back of that car, but that's kind of the details that we know right now. Lenton Van Buren Jr. being brought to East Baton Rouge Parish Jail.